Okay, so here's the spa here. I have it over in the corner as you come out. So I have it over there. All right. So over here is the module that does the filter pump, heater, and bubbles. As you see, it has 3 connections into the hot tub. The bottom one down there is the intake, so it sucks in there, heats it, filters it, and then shoots it back out. The top one. That one down there is the air for the bubbles. So it has this top on it. And come around here. Okay, so as you lift up, it's just an inflatable insert that fits around the edge, and then it has snaps to keep it down. Get this off. Okay, so let's see, I turned this thing on around 1:30. It was at like 88 degrees. I don't know what time it is right now, but according to this thing, we're up at 97 already. So it says it does about 2 to 3 degrees an hour in ideal conditions, which is like 85, 90 degrees today. So I'd assume today is ideal conditions. So as you can see there, that is one of the filters. That's where the filtered water comes out of. So you got one filter there, one filter over there, and then also the drain on the floor for when you want to drain it. Has the hose connection right here. But yeah, man, it's sturdy. You can get in there and lean against it and it doesn't budge. Water is definitely looking a little bit better since I've sucked out a lot of that sediment shit, but you can still, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but yeah, you can see like a line of it right there. There's some more of it over there. I think I need to add a little bit of water to it. It's a little crooked, but not much. I was going to prepare the ground a little bit better and try to level it out, but I said screw it. I'm lazy and I don't give a shit. It's good enough. I did have to remove 4 plants that were here to make room for it. Those things right there, there's like 4 of those right here, so I just shoveled those out. But yeah, man, it's pretty legit. It's actually made by a company called Best Way or something. Coleman obviously doesn't actually make it themselves. They just slap their name on it. But I forget. I'll have to send you a link to the actual website. But yeah, I mean, you can buy, I figure eventually if this thing works out, they have steps you can buy, like inflatable steps. And then they also have like a inflatable surround partition, but I don't think I really need that. But it would be nice to have some steps so we're not stepping in the dirt here when we're getting in and out. But yeah, man, this is pretty much it. The motor is very quiet. I was originally going to have an electrician come out and run a line from the house out here and then have an outlet over here somewhere and plug it in directly, because it does recommend not using an extension cord. But I said, screw that. I had a guy come out and he wanted way too much money to do that, so I ended up just running a 50-foot extension cord. It's a heavy-duty one, so it should be able to handle this no problem. I think this thing's about 1,200 watts, and I've had no issues. Even the exterior lights come on out here in the backyard and no problem. It doesn't trip it, and it's all in the same circuit. So I just have this running here, and then I just have it plugged in over here with the outdoor light transformer, and seems to be fine. Now if I ever plugged in the hanging string lights, that would probably definitely blow it, because I think the string lights are probably close to 1,000 watts too, plus so like the 2,200 watts. I don't know if that breaker can handle it, but I guess we'll find out. I'll try turning it on tonight and see what happens. But yeah, man, here it is. Hopefully you'll be able to come over sometime soon and hang out, and we'll go for a little soak. All right, that's it for now. Later.